you've been waiting to see what Samsung has in store for its next flagship series, well, the wait is almost over as key details about the Galaxy S25 have just leaked. These insights reveal some exciting new features in design, camera specs, and AI capabilities that might just set new benchmarks in the smartphone world. Starting with the design, the leaked images give us a glimpse of the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. A standout feature is the Now bar, which offers a more interactive and personalized experience. This feature is designed to keep you informed throughout the day, displaying relevant information and suggestions. For instance, in the morning, you can see the weather forecast and your energy score. As you prepare to leave, it might suggest opening Google Maps for navigation or playing your favorite music for the commute. At night, the Now bar wraps up your day with a summary of memorable moments and your daily activity stats, such as steps taken. Some of these smart features could be powered by Samsung's in-house AI algorithms or the new Gemini chip. The camera setup on the Galaxy S25 series is equally impressive. The Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus are equipped with a 50-megapixel primary camera featuring optical image stabilization, OIS, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. Both models also have a 12-megapixel front camera for selfies. On the other hand, the Galaxy S25 Ultra takes things to another level with a 200-megapixel primary camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 10-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, and a 50-megapixel super telephoto lens offering 5x optical zoom. It also features a 12-megapixel selfie camera, ensuring high-quality shots from every angle. What's truly remarkable about the Ultra model's camera is its versatility. The 200-megapixel sensor provides stunning detail and can deliver a 2x zoom with optical level quality. Meanwhile, the 50-megapixel telephoto lens allows for 10 optical quality zoom, making it perfect for capturing distant subjects with clarity. Whether it's a scenic view or a close-up, the S25 Ultra is equipped to handle it all. Battery performance is another critical area where the Galaxy S25 series excels. The Galaxy S25 Plus comes with a 4,900 mAh battery, capable of lasting up to 30 hours of video playback. The S25 Ultra, slightly larger, boasts a 5,000 mAh battery that can last up to 31 hours of video playback. This impressive battery life ensures that you can go about your day without constantly worrying about recharging. All three models are powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy processor, promising fast and efficient performance. Samsung has also focused on software enhancements with the Galaxy S25 series. The devices will run on One UI 7.0, based on Android 15 right out of the box. This new interface aims to provide a smoother, more intuitive user experience. Additionally, Samsung has committed to providing Android OS and security updates for up to 7 years, offering users a longer lifespan for their devices and peace of mind knowing they'll stay updated with the latest features and security enhancements. The Galaxy S25 series looks set to offer a blend of innovation, performance, and user-centric features. Whether it's the personalized touch of the Now bar, the cutting-edge camera technology, or the promise of extended software support, Samsung's latest lineup is poised to make a significant impact. If you're excited about what's coming, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates. See you in the next video. Samsung is once again set to revolutionize the mid-range smartphone market with the introduction of the Galaxy S36 and Galaxy A56. These upcoming devices promise not just a refresh in design and internal components, but also a significant upgrade in charging technology, something that has been eagerly anticipated by users around the globe. The Galaxy S36 and A56 are poised to offer 45-watt fast charging, a feature that will undoubtedly enhance user experience by drastically reducing charging times. Certified by TÜV Rheinland, both phones will support charging at 10 volts and 4.5 amperes, culminating in the impressive 45-watt charging capability. This enhancement means users will spend less time tethered to an outlet and more time enjoying their devices. This is not Samsung's first foray into equipping mid-range smartphones with such fast charging speeds. Previous models in the Galaxy C, F, and M series have featured 45-watt charging, but were largely restricted to select markets in Asia and Latin America. The global release of the Galaxy A36 and A56, however, marks a significant step in making this high-speed charging technology accessible to a wider audience, potentially changing the way users interact with mid-range smartphones. In terms of design, the Galaxy A36 and A56 share a similar aesthetic, characterized by a large Super AMOLED display that offers vibrant colors and deep blacks. The key island design, located on the right side, adds a distinctive touch, while the vertically aligned triple camera setup on the rear provides a sleek and modern look. While the Galaxy A30 has slightly thicker bezels compared to the A50, both models maintain a sleek profile that feels premium in hand. Out of the box, these phones will run on Android 15 with Samsung's One UI 7, providing a smooth and user-friendly interface. Samsung has built a solid reputation for supporting its devices with timely updates, and the Galaxy A30 and A50 are no exceptions. Users can expect up to 6 major Android OS updates, ensuring that their phones remain up to date with the latest features and security enhancements for years to come. When it comes to performance, the Galaxy S25 is equipped with the Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 processor, paired with a minimum of 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. This combination promises a fluid user experience capable of handling everyday tasks with ease. The Galaxy S56, on the other hand, takes it up a notch with a more powerful Exynos 1580 processor. Both chips feature octa-core CPUs with 4 high-performance cores, but the Exynos 1580 offers superior performance in both processing power and graphics capabilities, making it an excellent choice for more demanding applications and gaming. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the camera setup on both devices. Each phone is equipped with a 50-megapixel primary rear camera designed to capture detailed and vibrant images. The 12-megapixel front-facing camera ensures that selfies are sharp and well-lit, perfect for social media sharing. Could the iPhone 16e be Apple's new game-changer in the budget phone market? We've all seen the iPhone Special Edition lineup over the years, offering a budget-friendly option for Apple fans. But with the upcoming iPhone 16e, which was previously rumored to be the iPhone Special Edition 4, it seems Apple is ready to make a bold move, not just competing with Google's Pixel and Samsung's Galaxy series, but even with their flagship iPhone 16. According to reputable leaker Digital Chat Station, the iPhone 16e is shaping up to be a contender with an updated design and some impressive specs. If the leaks are true, the iPhone 16e will be a complete redesign compared to its predecessors, leaving the outdated look behind. Instead, we're looking at something closer to the iPhone 14 with a few tweaks. The phone is expected to feature a 6.06-inch Full HD Plus LTPS OLED display, the same one found in the iPhone 14. This means vibrant colors and sharp details, making it a pleasure to watch videos or browse your favorite apps. It will also come with Face ID, housed in a notch at the top, and a sleek metal frame that will give it a premium feel. And when it comes to the camera, the iPhone 16e will pack a single rear camera, keeping things simple but effective. Under the hood, the phone will be powered by Apple's 18 chip, the same one found in the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus. This powerful processor will give the 16e the ability to handle everything from everyday tasks to heavy-duty apps with ease. It will also feature a solid water resistance rating, so you don't have to worry about the occasional splash of water. Now, while the iPhone 16e brings a lot to the table, there's one thing that might hold it back. The display refresh rate will still be capped at 60 Hz, which means it won't be as smooth as the 120 Hz displays you'll find on some of its competitors, like the Pixel 8a and Galaxy A55. While 60 Hz might be fine for some, it could feel a bit sluggish when compared to phones with faster refresh rates, especially for scrolling and gaming. The good news: the price is expected to start at $499, making it a strong contender in the upper mid-range market. This is a slight increase over the previous model, but considering the A18 chip and the updated design, it could be well worth it. Some sources even suggest that the iPhone 16e will come with 8 GB of RAM, which would support Apple's artificial intelligence features, offering smoother performance and even smarter capabilities. While the lack of a 120 Hz refresh rate might be a downside for some, the A18 chip could more than make up for it. It's the same flagship processor found in the more expensive iPhone 16 models, which means the iPhone 16e could blow its competition out of the water when it comes to performance. The iPhone 16e is expected to launch in April, and there's already a lot of buzz around it. With so many similarities to the iPhone 16, it might even make you wonder what the iPhone 16 offers that the 16e doesn't. The iPhone 16 might come with a second camera, a larger battery, and the new action button and dynamic island, but the iPhone 16e is definitely shaping up to be a strong option for anyone looking for a budget iPhone. As the rumors continue to swirl, we're all eager to see how this new iPhone 16e turns out. If it ends up being as good as the leaks suggest, this could be the best value iPhone Apple has ever released. If you're as excited as I am about the iPhone 16e, Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more updates as we get closer to the release. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.